Good afternoon to all our viewers and customers out there. Welcome to Zinsu Nigeria Limited, the home of sewing machine. This afternoon, I'll be introducing another product to you that we have at Zinsu Nigeria Limited. Now, what we have here is a rechargeable cutting machine. Now, when you unbox your cutting machine, the first thing you see, you have a manual here. You have your cutting machine here. You have your charging USB here. You have an extra pair of blade here, and you have your L and key here in case your cutting machine is having any issues and you need to unscrew it. Now I will be showing you how to use the cutting. What we have here is our cutting machine USB. As you can see, this goes to an adapter. You can use any adapter. You can even use the adapter used to charge your mobile phone. Just make sure you plug this into your adapter, and this goes into the cutting machine. Now if you want to use this, you plug this to your adapter, and this you plug it at the end of your cutting machine. You can see a round hole here. That's where your cutting machine charger will be plugged in, and this will be plugged into your adapter. Now that you've plugged in your cutting machine and the battery is full, like I said, it can last more than 5 hours. Now let's try using the cutting machine on our fabric. Now you can see what we have here. We're having 8 layers of fabric. Now to use your cutting machine, firstly you can see this white switch here. That is the on and off switch of your cutting machine. Once you press it, you can see that the red light is already on. That means your cutting machine is already on and ready for use. Now the button here will be the one that will be helping you to control your cutting machine blade. Once you press it, your switch is already on, and you press this other switch, you can see it's the one that controls your blade. Now let's try this cutting machine on 8 layers of fabric and see how it's going to work out. Now we have the switch, and like I said, press this your switch, that means your cutting machine is on, and this controls the blade. Now we are good to go. Let's try it. You can see how neatly it cuts 8 layers of fabric. You can see how neatly it cuts it. This is 8 layers of fabric, and you're using your rechargeable cutting machine. Remember, your switch here, you put it on, shows the red light, that means your cutting machine is ready for use, and the other switch is what that controls the blade. And we are using it on 8 layers of fabric, and you can see how nice and smooth it cuts the fabric. Nice. And you can see how nice and smooth it cuts our fabric. And like I said, your cutting machine comes with an extra pair of blade. In case the blade you're having here is having issues, you can change it and put another blade. Now to change the blade of your cutting machine is very easy. You can see this switch here. You can see, you just press it down and you remove your blade. Like I said, press this switch down. Now that I've removed it, now I want to replace the blade with another set of blade. You do the same exact procedure. You press the switch down and you put the other set of blade. You put it starting from the edge of your cutting machine, and it slides down, and you release that switch. And here you have it. You have already changed the blade of your cutting machine. You can see it works perfectly. Thank you for watching.